Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and I hope you guys are well and safe. And today we're gonna do a Louis Vuitton and Gucci unboxing. These are small items and let's start with my Gucci. So I just put it here inside the bag, and this is a sunglasses, obviously. And I got this on sale from Nordstrom Rack. And round sunglasses. This is my first round sunglasses, as mostly I have like square type. Like my Louis Vuitton sunglasses, as I think this shape flatters my face better. And here's my Carrera sunglasses in somewhat like square shape. And this is my Chanel that I got years ago in like squarish shape as well. And this one is round, and I like the space in here, so it looks like there's like a like a space in between, and it's all in gold hardware, and it has Gucci here. And what I like about this sunglasses is it is very light, and it also clings on the nose. And I think it has Gucci logo here, like very small in the nose pad, and nothing in here. No logos in here except the logo at the end, which is in faux pearl circle with GG logo, which is very comfy when you put it on the ears. And this retailed originally for $610 US, and I got it for only $99 and $97 at Nordstrom Rack. So if you get lucky, Nordstrom Rack really has good designers pair of sunglasses on display, and this is what I found when I went there a few days ago. And the case has this Gucci sunglasses pouch where you can put the sunglasses inside, and it also has a cloth wipe that also says Gucci. And this one is in suede material, and it also has Gucci in there with like satiny material inside. And when you close it, it will look like that. I really love the look of the sunglasses, and most especially the price as well, as it is like 80% off or 75, but it is such a good price for a designer Gucci sunglasses. And the next one that I got is this little pouch, and it is in this box, and let's open it together. So I was actually helped again by my friend Chanel LV, because she has the best SAs, I think, who can find hard to find items. So I paid $499 and $61 US, that's with tax, and this is originally in $470. And I can see this item being raised so high in the reselling market as like 200 more or 300. It's just crazy. So she is like an angel in hard to find items, and she always helped me look for one if I want any. And this is none other than the Christmas collection in this very colorful print in monogram. So it has 3 Vivienne picture here, and this is the one that I chose because I have 3 boys. And even though this is pink and red, but you know, it's 3 in here, so I just like to associate it with my 3 boys. And this one has like a festive LV with flower pattern or stars in there. And I also love this pop of colors all around it. It is just so colorful. that I wasn't able to resist getting this. And inside has this beautiful red color, and inside has like this. In case you want this is the barcode, and also like a textile card. And I noticed that the canvas is softer than the old ones that we have. And here, let me compare this with my Damier Ibin that I got years back. I cannot even remember when did I get this, but the canvas on this is thicker than this new ones. And this is made in France, and this one is also made in France. And as you can see, this leather is smaller than this one. So I don't know if the new ones has a thicker leather, like it's bigger, I mean, than the old one, as this one is a little bit smaller than this. And somehow the size is still the same, but definitely I can say that this is thicker. This feels way thicker. Inside has the same lining, and it is just fun to have a red lining inside the monogram. Mini Pouchette, as usually it has a different lining in a monogram. It's always red on the Ibin, and it's just fun to see a color inside a monogram Mini Pouchette. It feels flimsy, if you'll ask me, compared to this, but I love the colorful look that it has. And I can also attach this chain from my Felice. Let's attach it together. And this will be a nice grab-and-go purse as well. And if you want a shorter strap, you can also put it inside here and attach it in here. I know Amazon has a lot of chain strap that looks like this, and you can also wear your shoulder like this if you want to just grab this little purse and bring it to a short errand. I can fit here my Recto Verso wallet like so, and maybe, let's say, a lipstick and a hand sanitizer, and let's see if it will close. It will be way bulky, but it will close. But it has this misshape, so if you're okay with it, you can bring a bigger card holder in this. And let's try putting different stuff inside, and let's say AirPods, and then a lipstick, a hand sanitizer, and I'll bring my sunglasses. So this is my thinnest sunglasses, my Ray-Ban sunglasses inside with a case. And also I have two card holders in here, and I have my Chanel and YSL. So to match the lining inside, let's say we're gonna bring this YSL card holder inside, and everything fits. It's crazy, right? It's crazy how this small Mini Pouchette can fit what we need if we go for a short errand or that is near our house. Just fun that we can also use this as a purse instead of a cosmetic pouch. So again, let's review: my sunglasses, my card holder, a hand sanitizer, a lipstick, and an AirPod. This is just fun, guys. So this is just a little bag for us to wear aside from using it as our cosmetic pouch. And this is what it looks like if you'll just carry it. If you wear it as a crossbody, it will look like this. So what do you think of this, guys? This is just so cute. I don't need another mini pochette, but this is just so fun to have. And the other one that I have is in the May bin. That's why I chose this monogram this time. So I have one of each. And this is my first Christmas animation item from Louis Vuitton. Thank you guys for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day. Stay safe, everyone. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so that I'll see you all again next time. Bye!